So let's talk about money. Here are 4 ways you can earn some extra cash on the side with your Starlink. Now, with more African countries getting Starlink, you might have realized that 1, it's very fast, and 2, you'll quickly run out of things to do with it. Hopefully, after I'm done with this list, you may be inspired to make some money with your Starlink, especially if you're unemployed. And even if you're employed, you might also make some money on the side. So let's get into it. Starting with the most obvious way, which is content creation. Now, the beauty about content creation is that there's something for everyone. If you love writing, you can start a blog writing about things that you're passionate about. And if you get popular enough, you can even monetize that blog with Google AdSense. You simply need to pick a niche that has a higher CPM. If you want me to dig deeper into this subject, just leave a comment down below and I'll make that video for you. The beauty about content creation as well is that you can get into things like affiliate marketing. I've already made a video on that. I'll leave a card above if you want to check it out. You can also use your platforms to sell goods and services. The list is endless. The second way you can make money with your Starlink is using it to offer streaming services for weddings and other events. With the demand for live streaming services at an all-time high, a good internet connection will make you money. Granted, you need more gear if your client demands the highest quality, but in most instances, even a smartphone can get the job done. Now, with more and more Africans in the diaspora, the demand for streaming services is high. People need to connect back with their families at home and they're willing to pay for it. So streaming services, you'll be able to make money. You can be able to stream events like weddings, funerals, all sorts of events, because people want to feel connected to their loved one. Now, these streaming services would depend if Starlink lifts its ban on roaming on the African continent. Even the third point here is dependent on roaming being allowed by Starlink once again, which is to offer internet at events like weddings and business meetings in remote areas. Now, you can charge a flat fee for this, let's say $100 for a day. If you work 4 Saturdays, you have $400 at the end of the month. Now, there are also other costs involved with this, like getting a power backup, but even then, you'll still be able to make money. The only issue might be if people start downloading copyrighted content using your Starlink. Then maybe you'll get into trouble with the service. Now, a similar idea to this would be to start an internet cafe, but the challenges are almost similar if people start downloading copyrighted content, or you may be hit with a fair use policy if people download a bit too much. Now, an internet cafe may need a little bit more investment, but still, you can even make good money from it. Now, the fourth way you can make money with your Starlink is working from home as a freelancer. There are platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, to name a few, that offer thousands of jobs in any field. Whether it's finance, video production, audio production, writing, web design, app design, you can name it. Now, if you have the skill, chances are there's a job for you on these freelancing platforms. Now, to put things into perspective, on Fiverr, some of the best sellers there earn over 10,000 United States dollars every month. That's why I'm saying if you have a skill, you can go on those platforms, build a profile, and start earning money. Now, obviously, like I said, you have to underline, you have to work hard. There is no free money. When you put in the work, chances are you end up getting the money in the end. There are a few Zimbabweans on the platform who are making good money as well. So those are some of the few ways you can make money with your Starlink. Now, I know I mentioned some of the things that even a person with good internet can even get into. Now, if you have more ideas about how people can make money with their Starlink, or how you are making money with your Starlink, leave a comment down below. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.